Let's continue in the discussion preparation of amines by using Hoffman degradation. So here you are going to use the amide group and bromine. So in order to get the primary amine. Okay. Let's see the reaction first. So this is the amide group RC double bond O NH2. This is amide group which is going to react with bromine. One molecule of bromine plus KOH solution. So we are going to get the product as primary amine So like this we are going to get the product as a primary amine by using Hoffman degradation. So here Hoffman is nothing but the scientist who is going to produce a primary amine. Degradation is nothing but decreasing in the carbon atom. So we are going to decrease here. This is the functional group. Here in this group one carbon atom is there. As the name indicates, degradation is decreasing. So here we are going to get the product. There is no carbon atom. That is called degradation. And what do you mean by it is also called as Hoffman's bromamide degradation. Bromamide means nothing but here we are going to use the bromine molecule and amide group. So this is also called as Hoffman bromamide degradation. Bromine and we are going to use the amide group. Finally we are going to get the primary amine. So degradation is decreasing in the carbon atom. Let's see the example. So here in the place of R group, I mean alkyl group, I am going to substitute as the CH3 group. Then it is called acetamide. Everything is as well the same, only we are going to replace R with CH3 group. And its name is methyl amine. So this is also primary amine. This is called primary amine. So we are going to get the methylamine when we are going to use the acetamide as a substrate. Let's discuss the mechanism of this Hoffman bromamide degradation. First I am going to use the substrate, that is our functional group. This is our substrate. So that is called amide. So amide I am going to write like this: RC double bond O NH2. And I am going to use this as a potassium hydroxide. So you know very well about this potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, it acts as a base. So base work is always which obstructs the proton, acidic proton. Okay, from this substrate, what happens? So this is OH minus and this is plus. So I am going to eliminate the water molecule. I am going to eliminate the water molecule. So what happens? The electronegativity difference between nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen will be more electronegativity, so which obstruct the bond pair towards itself, and this hydrogen is eliminating as a H plus. So this H plus and OH minus together combine as a water molecule. So remaining I am going to write as it is. So now this is ready. It is attacked as now nucleophile. So now I am going to treat with the bromine unit. Okay, one bromine molecule we are going to use in this bromide degradation. And you know that halogens are better leaving group and also having more electronegative. But here homolytic, homo means same molecule is going to be cleavage will be takes place. So one act as partial positive charge and another one act as a partial negative charge. So this nucleophile which attracts towards to the positive side and remaining it is going to be eliminated. Okay. So now I am going to write as this. Okay. Now I am going to treat this compound with KOH. Once again we are going to use this compound KOH because acidic proton is ready and base work is obstruct the proton. So similarly same mechanism how it happened like this I am going to write directly product only. Now I am going to write like this. So here once again we are eliminated the water molecule. And now what happens in this case? This is an unstable compound. So here we are going to this one. This negative charge will make it a new bond formation with carbon atom. When this negative charge, I mean nitrogen, negative charge of the nitrogen atom, which is utilized for the new bond to become stable, what happens? Now carbon becomes 5 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a new bond 5 bond. What happens? Now this due to this electronegativity difference, so now oxygen, it takes bond pair of electron towards itself to become O minus. And you know that very well. So this negative charge again goes for the back donating bond. So this back donation bond like this will come in, and once again now the bond becomes 5. How becomes 1? This is a new bond 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So what I am going to eliminate here? I am going to eliminate this alkyl group, because our aim is to get RNH2, that is called primary amine. So now I am going to eliminate this R group. I mean this is a substitution like this, it is going on. So now I am going to eliminate this R1. Remaining everything I am going to write as this, and this act as a now nucleophile R minus. Okay, so this is, and here this R minus, and you know that halogens, once again here halogen will be there. Halogen is better leaving group, so that's why I am going to react this R minus with this nitrogen atom, and this is the better leaving group, hence the bromine is going to be eliminated. Now I am going to write remaining. Now it is formed here. So now I am going to use the water molecule to, because water is hydrolysis which gives the H plus ion. Once again we are going to get the primary ion. So now I am going to use the water molecule, where I am going to use this water molecule, and you know that this is a carbonyl function. Carbonyl function will be, carbon is having the slightly del positive charge and oxygen is having the negative charge. So this lone pair of electrons from the oxygen atom, which is going to be react with this carbon atom. Okay, this is going to be react with this carbon atom. Now what happens? So when this bond, new bond will form, here carbon becomes pentavalent. So that's why I am going to remove this bond double to, I am going to shift in double bond to single bond towards the nitrogen atom. So let's see. I am going to write like this. Now N gets a, because when this is a shifting this bond to nitrogen atom, then it becomes N minus and R group, and here I am writing as OH. This is called, it is a new bond formation. Okay, water, and now it got the deficient charge, that is a positive charge, and this is a negative charge. And you know very well that this oxygen is more electronegative element than hydrogen. So this bond is utilization, because this is the unstable compound, and this bond is utilization for this oxygen in order to get the double bond. So here what happens? This hydrogen will be eliminates. This hydrogen eliminates as a H plus, and this H plus will come and attack with this nitrogen atom. So next I am going to write. Okay, see what happens? This hydrogen eliminates as a H plus, because the electronegativity difference between oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen is having more electronegativity. This bond which comes towards the oxygen, because oxygen is a deficient. Now hydrogen eliminates as a H plus, and this is combined with the nitrogen atom, because minus will be there. This minus and H becomes the new bond formation. So now what happens? So in order to get the primary element, we are in the last step, because already we got the R, N, H. Remaining we want hydrogen, remaining hydrogen only required. So this hydrogen will comes to this hydrogen. How? Because so this bond is shifting towards the oxygen atom, because once again electronegativity parameter. So when this hydrogen again, it acts as a H plus. When it is leaving from the oxygen, which act as a H plus, and what happens? Now carbon becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the extra bond. What happens? This bond gets migrated towards the nitrogen atom. Then it becomes RNR minus. Now it becomes like this, and here this is the carbon dioxide is going to be eliminated. Carbon dioxide, which I am going to eliminate, because when this bond comes towards the oxygen atom, see here now it is C double bond O, C double bond O. That is carbon dioxide, which is a gas, which is going to be eliminated. and remaining steps I am going to write like this, RNH minus, and this hydrogen eliminates as a H plus. This H plus come with attack with this hydrogen. Finally, we are going to get the product as primary amine, that is RNH2. So this is a beautiful mechanism of the Hofmann bromide degradation.